Ooh, I don't feel so good.
What's the matter, Reggie?
Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe it was something I ate.
Morning, guys. Oh, Reg, you don't look so good.
Oh, I'm sure it's nothing. I'm fine.
I think you might have some dodgy food in there. You're attracting pests.
Pests?
Ooh.
I don't know why you're looking so smug, Harry. You're just as bad, if not worse. I can imagine you get all sorts of creepy crawlies.
And the flies too.
Oh, I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but I don't usually suffer as much as you.
Rubbish.
Ooh, pardon the pun.
Well, you see, Donna, Reggie, I'm basically a compact version of you guys. But there are lots of things that help keep me fresh and clean. I could be locked. I'm small, so I'm easy to wash out. And I can even have a liner to keep me fresh. Most of all, food recycling is collected every week. So those pests don't even have a chance to move in.
So you're telling me Reggie has got to sit there for another 2 weeks in discomfort while you get the deluxe spa package?
Just pop your food in me and it'll keep you feeling fresher for longer. I promise.
Pardon?
So, you're going to get that, Harry?